Mr. Iyer,
Yes.
your eyes require to be cleaned in a very special manner. You should do this for about 6 weeks. Right now, I'm going to clean your eyes for you, so you can do this when you go home.
But what are the things I will need? Any special equipment?
No, sir, nothing special. All you require is sterile cotton. But please make sure that you do not touch your eyes with any other material.
Yes, as I already told you earlier, something is stuck near my eyes.
Don't worry about that, sir. I will show you how to remove the stubborn deposit as well. All you will be requiring is a little wet cotton. Let me show you how to prepare it. Boil some water in a clean and new stainless steel bowl for 5 minutes. Add small cotton balls to the boiling water and allow it to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Close the bowl with a lid and allow it to cool. Sir, I have kept that ready.
Yes, now I understand. What is that vessel doing here?
Well, sir, now I'm going to clean the stubborn deposit out of your eyes. But before I do that, let me go and wash my hands with soap and water.
Yeah, I will not forget this step at home. It's important.
Yes. Sir, are you ready?
Yes, please proceed.
Okay. We take the cotton ball and dip it in boiling water. After that, we squeeze out the excess water. Now, sir, please close your eyes so I can clean around your eyelash on your upper lid. Great. After one use, always remember to dispose of the cotton and not put it in the sterile water. Now open the eye and look up. Using a fresh cotton, squeezing out the water, gently clean the area around the lower eyelid. Mr. Iyer, now please look downwards while I clean the upper eyelid and the area around the upper eyelid. Remember, after one use, dispose the cotton, do not put it back into the sterilized water. Mr. Iyer, your eyes are now completely clean. Please remember, they need to be cleaned in a special manner and you have to carry out this routine for about 6 weeks.
Okay.
Okay? There you go. Sir?
Yes.
It is now time for us to instill the eye drops.
Okay.
You will need to instill this eye drop, but before we do that, let us wash our hands with soap and water.
Okay.
Please?
Yeah. Now you will show how to instill eye drops on your own.
Yes, sir, I will. First, you need to open up the box, pull out the bottle, and you have to turn the tip clockwise.
Yeah.
Sir, please make sure that you do not touch the tip of the bottle in order to avoid contamination.
Okay.
Great. Now, sir, open it. We have to gently pull down the lower eyelid and put in a drop like this. Great, sir. Please close your eyes for a minute. Always remember to recap the bottle after use.
That is so simple. I can do it myself at home. Thank you so much, son. I will remember all your instructions.
Great, sir. Here's your file
Yeah.
and your eye drops.
Thank you.
Please allow me to escort you outside.
Thanks.
Welcome, sir. So, friends, you have just seen how to handle a patient who comes for a checkup after a cataract surgery. Someday, you will have to handle post-surgery patients just like me. For now, why don't you have a look at the step-by-step instructions for cleaning the eyes?